Hey guys, what's happening? How to reduce data usage while streaming videos. First of all, lower the video quality. If you're watching Netflix, YouTube, etc., make sure to click the settings next to the subtitles, right? And then click quality. Make sure to use a lower quality in order to lower the data usage. Use data saver mode if available, right? You can see right here, quality. Make sure to use a data saver, right? Next, what you're gonna do first, data saver right here. Next, what you're gonna do, download instead of streaming, right? Download videos on Wi-Fi to watch offline. So go ahead and click share right here, or excuse me, you can see right here the download button on this video. Go ahead and download it and watch it offline. Next, use Wi-Fi when possible. Avoid streaming on mobile data unless necessary. Make sure to use a powerful network also, right? Disable autoplay in background playback, right? Turn off autoplay to stop unnecessary data use, right? You can go ahead and find it in the settings of Netflix, YouTube, whatever. You can go ahead and click the settings right here, for example, right? And you can see right here, playback. Make sure that you turn off the autoplay next video, right? And use a data saving browser. Browsers like Opera Mini or Google Chrome's light mode reduce data usage, right? Lastly, be mindful of how long you stream on mobile data. Bonus, some carriers offer zero rated streaming. Check if yours does. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you, and we will catch you in the next time.